Women make approximately 50% of total population. If they are left uneducated, then a large part of the nation will not be contributing towards its growth, which is major problem. Therefore, educating women will promote the development of a country. Education is the key to unlock the golden door of freedom.
You must welcome me, Global Spoken English.
A warm good morning to all my teachers and all dear listeners. I am Ehtesham Khan. I come from Baiswara, Gursinov. I am a student of Global Spoken English. Today I would like to speak about what is the importance of women education. With these beautiful lines. पंछी पाँव के कारण जाल में फंसते हैं, लेकिन मनुष्य अपनी जुबान के कारण. Birds fall into the trap due to the feet, but human due to their tongue. हम बाहर की चुनौतियों से नहीं बल्कि अपने अंदर की कमजोरियों से हारते हैं. We don't lose from outside challenges, but from weaknesses which we have inside. If we wish to see India progress and develop, we need to educate our girl child. They are indeed the future of our nation. Moreover, when they become educated, they will not have to be dependent on others for their livelihood. One of the most important benefits of girl education is that country's future will be brighter and better. Similarly, our economy can grow if more and more women financially and strong. Women who are educated can take proper care of their children. Women have proved that they can do the entire task as men can do if they are provided with education and chances. So providing education to every woman is today's priority. Parents should know the value of daughter education and should be encouraged to invest money for education rather than dowry. That is why it's time to make every possible effort by individual, community and government to contribute expansion and promotion of women education. Importantly, educated women can result in a decrease in social issues like corruption, child marriage, domestic abuse and more. They will become more confident and handle their families better in all spheres. Thus we see how one educated woman can bring so much changes in her life along with the other as well. When we educate a girl, we educate a whole nation as she teaches everyone around her. The education of a girl will result better economy and brighter future, along with enhanced confidence of the girl. Women make approximately 50% of total population. If they are left uneducated, then a large part of the nation will not be contributing towards its growth, which is major problem. Therefore, educating women will promote the development of a country. Education is the key to unlock the golden door of freedom. Now I want to finish my speech. Thanks everyone for